Okay then, the average function. Well, the average function does exactly what it says on the tin. You can use the special feature in Excel to automatically find out the average of a set of numbers. And what we're going to do here is find the average of these three tests. So the first thing we want to do is we want to put in a heading like that. And we could make sure it's the same style. I'm going to use the painter by clicking on this one and then painting it over like that. And the next thing to do is to click on the cell below, because that's where we want to put in our average function. So we go to the Formulas tab, we click on Insert Function, and we get the Insert Function wizard. We then type in the word average in this box here. Sometimes you might actually see the word down here if you've used it before, but I'm going to do it like this, so average, and then press go. When you press go, it will appear below in the select function section, and then you simply press OK. The computer then tells you which numbers it thinks you should average. So what you should do is go to the end on the square and click on it and select the numbers yourself. And in this case it's this one, followed by this one, followed by this one. So I'm pressing down the left hand button and dragging over the middle. When I'm happy, I simply close this box here. The computer says these are the numbers and gives you the calculation, and you press OK. Now you can see that there are far too many numbers here in this average, so we have to do something about that. We have to reduce the numbers. So if we go to Home, and if we go to this feature here, which is increase decimal and decrease decimal, we click on decrease decimal a number of times. Click, 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 click. That looks pretty good. So that takes us to 2 decimal points. And then what we do simply is we can copy this formula down the cells. And all we do is we click on it and move our mouse to the bottom right corner till the mouse turns into a black cross, and simply drag all the way down. And when we drag all the way down, I'm just going to do it to here, it copies the top formula into each cell below. There we go, just like that. Now there's a couple of things we could do just to make it look a bit better. We could highlight H, and we could center all the numbers, and we could highlight this selection here, and we could go to the cell window and click on the 4 squares to put a grid around it. And that's how you find the average score using the average function. Remember, you click on the blank cell, you go to Formulas, click on Insert Function, find the function, select the ones you want, press OK, and then drag it down. Job done.